Hey everybody, today we'll be making iced coffee because it's been 2 very hot days. What we did here is have 90 ml of our Meiji milk and 4 ice cubes, and then we are going to use the Freddo Delicato, I think, that is meant for iced coffee from Nespresso, and make an espresso shot with the cup underneath. And just press start, and then you will have your iced coffee in no time. This is the lazy way because by right you're supposed to make an espresso, then pour it over your milk and ice. But using this, we don't need to wash so many things. Okay, one for me and one for my partner. So after this, just flush the machine with just an espresso shot of water, and that's it. Ta-da! Our pretty iced coffee for this very hot morning. Thanks for watching So You Think You Can Plan. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel So You Think You Can Plan. Have a good day everyone. Bye!